Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking spinach in the microwave. So to make steamed spinach, all we need is spinach and a little bit of water in a microwave safe dish with a lid. And I'm also going to have seasonings. You'll season spinach to your liking after it's done cooking. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water to a microwave safe dish and add as much spinach as fits in a dish. The amount of water remains the same, just need a very small amount. So now I've added spinach and I'm going to cover the dish and I'll put it in the microwave. And I'm going to start with microwaving it for 1 minute, and if it's not enough, we'll add more time. So let's do 1 minute. So now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take a look at the spinach. So it's perfectly steamed, it's cooked. So if yours is not cooked, you can always put it back for another minute, but in my microwave, that's enough. So now let's take it out of the microwave. Perfect. So at this point, just season the spinach to your liking. So I'll just sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now mix it. Perfect. As you notice, it really cooks down. It just shrinks. So it was a lot of spinach and now it's really not much. So that's a great way to get more spinach into your diet. If you cook this whole bag, it really turns out to be just, a very small portion. So now let's try it. How good it looks, and it's so healthy. So let's try it. Delicious. It's so soft, perfectly seasoned, super healthy, makes a perfect, healthy, low-carb side dish. You'll love it, and it's so easy to make it in a microwave. For a free printable recipe and other easy microwave recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!